Hi guys, I mentioned my USB microscope has failed. In fact, it's a Wi-Fi USB microscope. You can connect to it with Wi-Fi or USB. I say it just doesn't connect to the computer at the moment. It does switch on, as you can see. The computer reacts to it. It makes a noise, but it doesn't actually see it. There's a seam there and a seam along there, so I'm going to see if we can just get it open. I mean, I could just accept it's failed and I can just force it apart, or I could just sort of hope that maybe I can get it back together again. That clip's come open. Okay. All right, that was a bit more force than it probably wanted. These little pegs have broken off around here. So we've got 1, 2, 3 left and 1, 2, 3, 4 broken. And we can now see our LiPo battery. There's always the chance that disconnecting it and reconnecting it would be enough to reset it. So I might try that. Right, we're disconnected. I'll plug it back in again, and I'll go and try it on the computer again. See if it'll recognise it now. Well, we've made some progress. Taking the battery out and putting it back in again, the blue light started flashing, which was to bind it to the Wi-Fi direct connection. And now we do seem to have, well, we have got a connection between here and my phone. It still didn't work going back to the computer. Let's just turn that up a bit so we can see that we're looking at stuff. Brightness down a bit. There you are. You can see I'm looking at the edge of the plastic button. So that's a step forwards. It is now talking to the phone. It was doing nothing at all. It wouldn't talk to anything. So now we're talking to that, I'll go back and see if I can talk to the computer with it. So say it didn't. I tried it straight on the computer after rebooting it, and that didn't work. But it did start the light flashing for linking to the phone. Well, the answer is no, it didn't reconnect to the computer, but I am connected wirelessly to my phone. At the moment, we're looking at the display on the phone. We've got some writing there. Can we record video? Apparently not. Oh, now we're recording. Okay, well, we're a step further forwards than we were. Can't stop now. Oh, it did stop. Resolution. We're on the highest one, 1920 by 1080. Okay, well, that'll do really. We've made some progress in that. It looks like I can use it, but I'll have to go back to using it on the phone, not connected to the computer. I mean, that was why I bought it originally, because it was Wi-Fi to the phone. There you go, disconnected again. Yeah, one step forward and one step back, I suppose. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.